In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Nebosh Igc 2026 full guide. If you're preparing for the Nebosh International General Certificate, you already know the open book exam and the IG2 practical can feel intense. Used correctly, ChatGPT can be a safe, powerful study partner that helps you understand, practice, and structure your learning without doing the work for you. Let's begin by using ChatGPT to simplify complex health and safety concepts. The syllabus is full of legal language and technical frameworks, so when a topic feels dense, ask for a plain English explanation. Try, act as an expert health and safety lecturer. Explain the difference between active and reactive monitoring in the workplace using simple real-world examples. Read the response, then restate the idea in your own words to make it stick. If something is still unclear, ask for an analogy, a comparison, or a short recap tailored to your industry. Next, practice with realistic scenarios because Nebosh questions lean heavily on real-world application. Ask ChatGPT to create detailed situations that mirror your workplace context. For example, generate a realistic workplace accident scenario in a warehouse setting involving a forklift and poor lighting. Include details about the organization's safety culture. Use the scenario to identify hazards, immediate and underlying causes, and control measures. Time yourself, then review what you missed. A core exam skill is responding precisely to Nebosh command words. Train this by asking, give me a mock Nebosh IGC question using the command word outline regarding the control measures for reducing noise risks. Do not give me the answer yet. Write your answer first, then request an ideal structure and compare. Pay attention to how depth changes between identify, outline, and explain, and adjust your writing to match what the command word demands. For the IG2 practical risk assessment, focus on structure and logic. You must never copy content, but you can learn the format. Ask, what are the standard columns and technical headers required for a comprehensive workplace risk assessment profile? Break down how to logically prioritize risks from high to low. Use that guidance to set up your own template with clear headings, consistent scoring, and prioritized actions that reflect your actual workplace. Finally, strengthen your understanding of legal and ILO frameworks. If you need quick references, ask, summarize the key employer responsibilities regarding worker health and safety under ILO Convention C155 and Recommendation R-4 into easy-to-remember bullet points. Cross-check summaries against official sources and your course materials. A vital reminder. Nebosh has strict rules on originality. Use ChatGPT to learn, practice, and organize your thoughts. Never to write your exam answers. Always submit your own work. Use AI to build understanding, and you'll go into exam day confident and prepared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.